Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have with us a new brand of routers. Now, we all have heard of TP-Link. It is the leader in the networking products and technologies, and this is one of their sister concerns or a sister brand called Mercusys. Now, this is one of the top trending brands in their homeland China. It is one of the mid-range routers, but giving you the top-notch quality output. And we are probably one of the first people in the UAE and in the region to review this product for you. And you are gonna enjoy this and make a beautiful decision whether you want to move away from any other router and move to Mercusys, because this is beautiful. So we have the box here. We're going to start unboxing it and find out what's inside the box. And I'm going to tell you every single thing about it. So looking at the box, beautiful branding, red and black color combination as the brand thing. Wi-Fi 6, as you can see, it's some basic information, and again some basic information at the back. We're going to tell you all about this information after we've taken out the product from the box. So getting straight on to business. Here you go guys, we have with us the new Mercusys MR70X router. Now, I'm going to tell you all about it. As you can see, beautiful looking piece. It's an elegant design, beautiful black, 4 antennas, and on the outskirts we've got, of course, the reset and the WPS switch. We've got a WAN and 3 LAN ports as well. We're going to tell you all about the antennas and the ports here, and at the back we've got some basic serial number information. So, great looking router, and of course not just great by the looks of it, it packs a lot of technology into it, and we're going to tell you all about it. It's got next generation Wi-Fi 6 speeds. Now that's 1.8 Gbps speed. Now it's got 1201 Mbps on the 5 GHz router band, and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz LAN. 4x longer OFDM symbol, highly developed 1024 QAM to give you that perfection and stable networking and Wi-Fi speed in your home and in your office. Now, of course, 4 times more capacity with OFDMA and MU-MIMO, which means simultaneous data transmission among many devices that you can connect with it, and still giving you a perfect and a stable and an improved network efficiency through and through. Which, of course, with these beautiful 4 antennas that stand here, you get, absolutely stronger and a broader coverage, and specifically with the beamforming boost technology, which boosts this and stabilizes the connection in itself. So great work. You can just tilt them in any direction you want to, and they do the job for you. When it comes to the security, WPA3 with 128-bit encryption, so you can be sure that nobody can enter your network without your permission. And as we saw, we've got a gigabit wide connection on the WAN port right here. And one of the things that I loved about it, it's designed in a very eco-friendly way with the technology itself, and it's power saving. So basically, it has the target wake time, so you can set up the timing when you want the router to be working and not working. And also at the same time, it has the power saving mode, which means it will only work with active devices, and while it puts the connection with the idle devices on hold and on wait, on standby, so that the router does not consume as much power. So this is great stuff, Mercusys MR70. And while we are talking all about it, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and notification icon, because you're watching us on YouTube here. So that will be great help, and leave us a comment if you have any questions as well. And moving on, it is designed to have less Wi-Fi interference. So if there are other devices and other networks around the area, it manages manages them well to ensure that your network and your Wi-Fi is not interrupted or disrupted in any way. And of course, Smart Connect, it combines the 2-in-1 band that we spoke about, the 5 GHz and the 2.4 GHz band, and of course it has the opportunity to select the best band which is available at that point, the best and the most stable connection which is available, and it connects your device automatically to it. It has the access point mode as well, which you can set it up, which means you can extend a wired network and make it a wireless one, and you can connect 4 times more devices and still get that. And of course we discussed about the OFDMA and MU-MIMO, which means more connections, 4 times more devices, but still giving you a great and improved network efficiency to ensure that you are always connected at best and the top speeds. Now, when it comes to security, another layer which comes with it is parental control. It has a comprehensive parent control to ensure the safety of your children, so that you can set the timer, block certain sites that you don't want your kids to watch, or set up timers for your kids for study time so that they can focus on growing in their careers as well. You can also set up a guest network, so in case somebody walks in, you don't need to give them your primary password. You just set it up, a guest username and password, or a free open Wi-Fi for a guest network, so that you don't have to feel embarrassed on sharing the password as well. It has the IPTV support. It supports the IGMP proxy spoofing, bridge, tag, VLAN, and optimizes the IPTV streaming for you with that support. So great stuff. IPv6 support and the VPN support as well, which means you can actually have VPN connection for remote access using your Mercusys MR70X. So guys, this is a great router. Absolutely loved it. We're going to use this, and I'm going to probably put it in the description later on after a few days of using it, what my experience was, so that you can come back and check it out. You will get a notification once the update is done if you are subscribed to our channel and you put that notification bell icon on. So please do that if you've not done that so far. And I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to just plug this in right away and find out what this bad boy can do for me. And this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm signing off. You keep yourself safe. Peace.